What's at the centre of a black hole? It's a question that has haunted physicists, astronomers, and dreamers for over a century. We know how black holes form. We know how they warp space and slow time. We know nothing escapes them, not even light. But we don't know what's inside. What lies at the very heart of a black hole is still a mystery, and maybe it always will be. Let's begin with what we do know. A black hole forms when a massive star dies. It collapses under its own gravity, squeezing matter so tightly that it forms a point of infinite density, or so the equations say. That point is called a singularity. It's not just small, it has no size at all. A single point where space and time curve infinitely. But this is where physics breaks down, because infinity is not a number, it's a limit, a sign that the math has stopped making sense. Einstein's theory of general relativity describes gravity as the warping of space and time, and black holes are the most extreme warpings we know of. Near the singularity, gravity becomes so intense that the very fabric of reality begins to tear. Time slows to a crawl. Space becomes curved beyond recognition. And at the centre? We don't know. The equations collapse. Our models fall apart. Because we need something else. A theory that combines gravity and quantum mechanics. We don't have that yet. Some scientists believe the singularity doesn't exist. That before matter can collapse into an infinite point, quantum forces push back, forming something else, something new. It might be a core of quantum foam, particles flickering in and out of existence. It might be a bridge, a wormhole to another part of the universe. Some say a black hole could be connected to a white hole, an object that expels matter, the opposite of a black hole. In that view, what falls in might come out somewhere else. Others think the centre might be a firewall, a wall of energy that burns anything that crosses the event horizon. Still others believe information is preserved, encoded on the surface like a hologram, and that the interior is an illusion. These are not science fiction. These are real theories proposed by leading physicists, but they're not confirmed. Because we cannot see inside a black hole. The event horizon, the point of no return, seals it off from the universe. No light escapes, no signal returns. It is the ultimate cosmic boundary. Even if we could send a probe, or a camera, or a person, they would never be able to send anything back. They would fall inward, time stretching out until, from our perspective, they seem to freeze. Inside, they would continue, but we would never know what they saw. This is the paradox at the heart of black holes. We can study their edges, we can observe their shadows like the ones captured by the Event Horizon telescope, but their centres remain hidden, and yet we keep trying, because black holes are not just objects, they are questions about the nature of reality, about the structure of time, about whether space itself has an end or a beginning. What's at the centre of a black hole? It might be the seed of a new universe. It might be nothing at all. But in trying to answer that question, we are really asking something deeper. What are the limits of knowledge? What happens when the map ends? And what do we become when we step across that boundary? Thanks for exploring from home.